Salam Jami'an. We are doing some exercises about differential equation, first order. These exercises are selected from the official book. Okay, and I think they are easy exercises. Our exercise from the book, we have the equation in the form y prime equal f of x. And as we know, the solution will be y equal antiderivative of f of x dx. As you can see in the first part, Part 1, we have the equation y prime equal 4x minus 3. So the solution, we do antiderivative on both sides. Again, the solution will be y equal antiderivative of 4x minus 3 dx. So the antiderivative of 4x is 4x squared over 2, which is 2x squared. Antiderivative of 3 is 3x plus a constant c. And this will be the solution of the first part. This is called the general solution because we still have a parameter or a constant c that can be found according to a certain condition. In the second equation, you have y prime plus x into 2 minus x squared. It's better to expand in this case, and 2x minus x cubed equal to 0. So y prime equal minus 2x plus x cubed. Calculate the antiderivative on both sides. Y equal minus 2x squared over 2, yani minus x squared, plus x power 4 over 4 plus a constant c. And this will be the general solution of the second equation, second differential equation. Okay, next one, part 3. Y prime equal x minus cosine x. So y equal antiderivative of x minus cosine x dx equal x squared على 2. Antiderivative of cosine, as you know, is sine x plus a constant c. So this is the solution of the third part. Part 4, you have y prime equal e minus x plus 2, and you have to make it y prime equal a certain function. Again, y equal antiderivative of e minus x plus 2 dx. Y equal antiderivative of e minus x is minus e minus x. Antiderivative of 2 is 2x plus a constant c. This is the solution of the third part. General solution, not a particular solution. In the exercises number 10 and 11, in exercise number 10, we have the equation is in the form y prime plus ay equal to 0, and the general solution will be y equals c exponential of minus ax. You can use the given to find a particular solution because it's when you find c, you found a particular solution. Like in this case, مثلا in part 1, number 10, part 1, y prime plus 2y equal to 0. The general solution is y equal c exponential of minus 2x. Okay, the given is y of 0 equal 1. Y of 0, you just replace x by 0 equal 1. You found that c equal 1. Like in a particular solution, you can call it y, you can call it f of x, g of x, whatever you want. 1 exponential of minus 2x. And this is the particular solution, not a particular solution of this equation. For example, in part 2, it's number 10, part 1. Number 2, 3y prime plus 4y, 3y prime plus 4y equal to 0. It must be y prime plus ay, and it must be y prime plus ay. And the coefficient of y prime must be 0. What you have to do is to divide everything by 3. Divide by 3, they will get y prime plus 4 over 3y equals 0 over 3, 0. Now it's in the form y prime plus ay equal to 0. The general solution is yc exponential of minus 4 over 3x. The given is y of 0 equal minus 1. Y of 0 equal c exponential of 0 equal minus 1. So c equal minus 1. So a particular solution can be called g of x is minus exponential of minus 4 over 3x. وهيدا particular solution of this differential equation. number 4 actually is a problem. يعني number 4 هيك بيجي بالامتحانات الرسمية عادة. هلا هيدا problem 4 هوديك كانوا exercises يعني. ف number 4 we have the differential equation called E in the form y prime minus 2y equal to x plus 6, and this, of course, this is a first order differential equation. أول شيء we have z equal y plus x plus a, and the question is determine the real number a for the differential equation satisfied by z. يعني you have to convert this equation as an equation depending on y to another equation dependent on z. Again, z equal y plus x plus a, it means y equal, نغير الcolor شوي, y equal z minus x minus a, so y prime equal z prime minus 1. يعني you do the derivative of y. Derivative of z is z prime, derivative of x is 1, derivative of a 0 because a is a constant number. So the equation will become, you should replace y prime and y by its value. And replace y prime by z minus 1 in the equation E. You replace y by z minus x minus a, and it's equal to 2x plus 6. The question, find the real number a so the differential satisfied by z to be linear. Okay, so z prime minus 1 minus 2z plus 2x plus 2a equal 2x plus 6. Okay, so this equation will be z prime minus 2z plus 2x plus 2a minus 1 equal to x plus 6. Linear, so we have 2x equal to x, they cancel each other. The constant number 2a minus 1 equal the constant number 6. Again, 2a minus 1 equals 6. It means that a equal 7 over 2, and that's how we found a. And by replacing a by 7 over 2, okay, if you do replace a by 7 over 2, the equation will become, we will call it مثلا e prime. E prime is z prime minus 2z equal to 0. And part B, find the differential equation that in z that is obtained, and then reduce the general solution of E. Again, we need to find the differential equation of this equation. The general solution of this one is z equal c exponential of 2x. هيدا the general solution of this equation E prime. Replacing z by its value, you know that y you know that y هي هون equal z minus x minus a. So if you replace z by its value, يعني y equal c exponential of 2x minus x minus a. This is the general solution of E. Finally, part C, we are not going to draw the graph, يعني بس find is like find the solution. Find the solution. Find the particular solution of E that pass through the origin O00. لكن we have it passed through the 0.000. it means y of 0. لحظة شوي، نحن we found a، يعني هون instead of writing a we should write 7/2. okay, y of 0 equals 0، لكن y of 0 equals c exponential of 0 minus 0 minus 7/2 equals to 0، لكن c is 7/2، لكن y equal، or let's call it f of x, g of x, whatever you want. f of x equal 7/2 exponential of 2x minus x minus 7/2 is a particular solution of this differential equation. Now we have to do exercise number 7. We still have only number 7. يلا. Exercise number 7. We have the differential equation E xy prime minus y plus x equal to 0. And this is a differential equation of the first order، وما بتشبه ولا type أخذناه بشرح الدرس. يعني نحن أخذنا y prime equal f of x، y prime plus ay equal 0، y prime plus ay equal constant number b or a function. هيدا لا. وطبعا مع انه هيدا منه مرة بشرح الدرس، بس انت you will be able to solve exercises like those. Part A, he is giving us a variable z, a new function depending on x, z, with y equal x times z of x. Find the differential equation satisfied by z. If y equal x times z، لكن y prime equal، هيدي طبعا you should know انه it's in the form u dot v، هيدي product of two factors. this is u prime v plus v prime u. u is x، يعني u is x, u prime is 1, v is z, v prime is z prime. يعني هيدي حتصير y prime equal u prime v 1 times z plus v prime u z prime times x equal z plus, you must be careful انه it's multiplied، z prime multiplied by x، يعني z plus x z prime، هي y prime. Now we have to replace y and y prime in the equation of E. يعني the equation of E will be x times y prime, which is z plus x z prime, minus y is x times z, plus x equal to 0. لكن after expanding xz plus x square z prime minus xz plus x equal to 0، لكن xz minus xz they cancel each other، x square z prime plus x equal to 0 يعني equal minus x, z prime equal minus x over x square. It means z prime equal minus 1 over x. z prime equal minus 1 over x، لكن z equal minus antiderivative on both sides to find z minus logarithm of x. هلا إذا عطينا دومين، ما في دومين هون، نحنا هنقول with defined over 0 plus infinity. Logarithm function must be defined over 0 plus infinity. okay. وإلا ما نحط لها absolute value، فحتى ما فوت بهيدا المشكل أنا أحطها defined over 0 plus infinity بس. so we can لازم يقول لكن we found the new equation E prime satisfied by z prime and z, we don't have z. After solving this differential equation we found z. هلا من z بتجيب ال y، يعني بيقول لك part B reduce the general solution of E. بدنا نعمل general solution of E. هلا given المعنى اللي فوق انه y equal x times z of x، هاي لكن solution of this equation is y equal x times z of x. z of x هي minus ln x، لكن the general solution is y equal، على فكرة غلطنا هون غلطة اللي هي شو minus ln x plus c، أكيد plus c. لكن y equal minus x ln x plus cx. This is the general solution of E. آخر شيء find a particular solution of E that verify the equation y of 1 equal to 0. This is part C. لكن معنا given إنه y of 1 يلي هو minus 1 ln 1 plus c times 1 equal to 0. 0 صح؟ لكن 0 plus c equal to 0, so c equal to 0. لكن particular solution I'm gonna call it مثلا h of x. في طبعا نسميها y of x ما في مشكلة. minus x times ln x. هلا غريبة انه c تطلع 0 بس ما بعرف اذا في شي غلط calculation مش الهيئة. نرجع نتأكد منه لكن إذا الله راد. شكرا على المتابعة ونراكم غدا إذا الله